Hey guys, here we are at my layout. I'm going to show you how to put together Uncle Wiggles produce stand from Muella Models. Um, this is a complete kit. All the stuff you see in there comes in the kit. The only thing that I have added different to it, I did add lighting, and I did add the little rafter pieces in there. The roof comes flat, but I added those to give it a little bit different look. That's really easy, just a little bit of cedar or balsa wood, either one. It's a cute little kit. Goes together pretty quickly. It does take a while to paint it all up. But anyway, I will just want to show you what the finished model looks like, and then we'll get into building the model itself. Anyway, so let me get over to the table. We'll start to show how to build it. All right, guys, here is the complete kit. There's a bunch of smaller castings that go with it. All those have to be painted individually. You have the roof. If you look at this, you'll see two different colors in the resin. There's so much detail, intricate stuff in the casting itself. I use a slower hardening resin to make sure I get all the detail, because the stuff that here is like a heat resistant resin, and it gets hard really fast, less than 3 minutes. So it doesn't give me time to work. So the darker brown resin is a slower finishing one, so I can get the detail in there, and then it's poured back over the back of it with the heat resistant resin. So it adds a little bit of rigidity to the casting itself. These others, I don't have a problem with it. So that's why you may see two colors in a casting that I provide. So you have the base, you have the back wall, or these two pieces. These two pieces here make the side lower walls, and then you have a lattice. All this is pretty easy. You have the side wall. You just take the flat piece here, and you have to, all the parts need to be washed. I'll tell you that up front. Just wash those. Make sure that you clean off any flashing, even up the edges. I do scuff the back with maybe a 120 grit paper, and then you use, you can use CA, but it connects really fast. I like using something like a 5-minute epoxy, and you don't need much, just a coat on the back. And then I clamp these together, and you glue the front and the back. That gives you one piece. You do the other pieces like that. Your lattices, you got to clean the flashing off here in between the lattices. But these are done the same way. They're just glued back to back. That gives you the lattice. The rear panel, you got to make sure that you can see that it has a lap siding. Make sure the lap siding, this is going down. And then your bottom on this is you see where it comes in, smaller side. What you gotta do is center that. You're gonna do the same thing, clean it up, clean the edges, and you're gonna center that on the back here. You're gonna make sure it's all centered. And once you're centered, you're going to take, and the way this goes together is you have the base here. I don't glue this up front, but I go ahead and get this lined up. You can see there are sides for it to fit on. There's your back. Hang on, all right, I'm gonna hit pause and get a place to set this down so I can show you. Okay, guys, here we are back. I'm not gonna put another kit together, but I'd use some double-sided tape to hold these together. It works all right for what we're doing here. So you got the base. The base has the 3 sides to it. So your rear, the bottom of it has your it goes like this. You got the wider side at the bottom. So we'll come in here. You need to make sure all this fits before you start gluing anything. So you're going to put, that goes on the back. Just bring in your side here. So that comes on your side. Let's put tape on this. All right, so that's your sides. Then your lattice comes in here, and it sits right there. All right. So I know that's not glued, but that goes on that side. Your front piece goes, your support goes there, and you need to figure out what kind of angle you want this. I can give you, I'll put the exact measurements there is instructions comes with it, but this comes along the front, and then that goes across the top, and that's what your roof sets on. And the roof, like I said, is flat, and you can set it like that, or you can put the little rafters like I did underneath there. It measures out to an equal number, and you can set it on there. And when I put lighting on mine, I came up from the bottom and went right through these pieces here and brought the wire up and brought my lighting in. Once you get that done, the rest of it's pretty simple. You got your shelving in here. There are 2 legs that come with it that holds the back of this up. You have more shelves here. You have one shelf goes across the back, and you got 2 across the side, and that's your supports for it. You'll see, I have pictures. You'll be able to see where they go. But this is just, once you get the main box built, the rest of this is pretty simple. All this stuff is included. If you have any questions, you can always feel free to contact me. You do have cans. Like I said, I bought the company, the Muella Models, the rights to all the parts and everything. But in the instructions, there was no labels. I couldn't find anywhere where they ever supplied labels for the like fruit cans or vegetable cans. I do have a website. I'll attach it to the instructions, or it'll be on the web page, where they do have 124 scale labels that you can use. It says free to use online, so you just print them off. They don't tend to wrap all the way around, but you can print 2 of them off and wrap it. And you only see one side when you're looking in there. So this is a really simple model. The only thing you got to do is make sure when you get the sides on, one of the later things I do is once I make sure it fits is, you got these on there, is the other side, making sure that you will have to sand a little bit on the edge here to even it up. But that's all about being a kit and putting it together. So it's a very simple kit. It looks really good once you're done. Uncle Wiggles is included, so you do have a figure that comes with it. This is available from tiesplanes.com. There's a whole page on just the Muella models, and I have several others coming out. I got a windmill. I've got 2 different types of water tanks, and I got several other kits that I have to reproduce, and we'll have them out there before too long. So if you have any questions, you feel free to contact me through tiesplanes.com, or you can contact me through my website. This is also available on Etsy. It costs just a little bit more to do through Etsy, but I did develop a page there, and I hope you enjoy the model. Thank you very much.